Today on Quali Pops, we are celebrating the Super Mario movie with a double-sided Mario and Luigi cake. I cannot believe how much I enjoyed this movie, especially because the plot is like paper thin. But it was amazing to see all of my favorite characters on the big screen, so much so that I went to see it again. I love the way that the Mushroom Kingdom is realized. I loved the way that Mario fights, but I think my favorite thing was just watching Luigi hold that flashlight. Luigi's Mansion was my thing, and I'm hoping that they turn it into a movie next. I'm not sure when it's gonna come out, but hopefully this cake will tide me over. And I'm curious, what Super Mario character would you like to see me make next? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.